Well, hello, welcome back. It's been a hot minute since I've picked up a camera and recorded for you guys, but I'm back and I'm so excited to have you here because today is going to be a full day of eating with your girl. Listen, I've been all over the place. I went LA, then I came back. I literally repacked my bag. I went Miami. Me and Holly had our first girls' holiday. We've known each other for 7 freaking years and we never had a girls' holiday. So I was like, listen, let's go. Let's get fucked up. I'm joking. Mum, I'm joking. But we had a really good time and now I'm back and I'm just getting back in the swing of things and I'm super motivated and excited. So I thought we could kickstart with the what I eat in a day. Actually, my eating has changed a little bit, the way I'm doing things, so I'm super excited to show you guys, especially if you're an OG. If you want to be an OG, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're an OG, you will know kind of what I eat, but it's kind of changed a little bit just because I'm focusing more on like my body, my skin, my gut, my internal soul, body, life, glowing. So without further ado, breakfast time. Also hit that thumbs up button because support your girlie. Okay, I totally forgot to do this again. It's time for Cooking with Krissy. Okay, I can start now. Okay guys, so breakfast is served. So what we have here is, oh, say hi Sasha.
Hi.
And Holly's here too. Hey. So that's why I made a lot of eggs. So here we have scrambled eggs with onion, spinach, and I cooked this in some olive oil. We have a bagel and I spread some butter on it. You can put some jam on or whatever you fancy. Sometimes I like peanut butter, sometimes I don't, you know. And then some raspberries. And then I have my tea, which is ginger and honey. The honey is actually, oh my god, the honey is actually homemade from my auntie's honey bee farm in Greece. So she sent me a load. Sasha's happy. Oh yeah. So guys, the thing that I've changed is now I'm starting to have fresh ginger and honey in the morning with some hot water. Let me just shut this cupboard. So that's a new thing that I'm introducing that I want to implement in. Ginger has so many benefits and honey is absolutely great. So especially if you get it in the rawest form, that you possibly can, it's even better. My breakfast, always there has to be some form of carbohydrate, some form of protein and micronutrients. The balance is key, so my palate has to always be balanced. So I'm gonna eat this up. I'm gonna actually head on over to the gym because I'm gonna record about 10 workout videos for you guys. If you want to see mini workout videos that you can save and utilize in the gym, just head on over to my Instagram, ding, and you can just follow there, save them, and then just literally I'll be there in the gym rooting for you and being with you. Oh, yes. Okay, breakfast time. So I just came back home from recording. We actually managed to record about 5 workout videos, which is great. And also I'm going to be going to the gym later to train properly. I don't like training and recording at the same time because honestly I just don't really like training with anyone around me. I like to do it on my own, my headphones on and in my zone. So that's why I have like a dedicated period of time where I just create as much workout videos for you guys as possible. I'm gonna make lunch for me, Holly and Sasha. I'm actually gonna make one of my most favorite easy to do lunches that you can do literally 5 minutes tops, you're good to go. It's my prawn, hummus, spinach, cucumber, cheese, add some tomatoes in there, maybe a little bit of onion wraps. Super easy, high in protein, carbohydrates in there, and also your micronutrients. Also, another new thing with me, seeing as I've got you here, I've actually started to yes! I've actually started to try skateboarding. I know a lot of you will be like, really, Krissy? But honestly, it's so much fun. And whenever I go to LA, because it's such a normal thing to just skateboard there, I just find it so much easier to like go around it. So I'm learning. I'm not the best at it, but I am learning. So I got this skateboard. What do you guys think? Let me know. In the UK, people don't really like skateboards, but when I go to the States, it's like so normal. So I'm learning slowly. Let me know if you do skateboard and how long it took you to like kind of get into the whole shebang of things. So that's new with me. What else is new with me? Oh yeah, I'm hungry. Okay guys, so as you saw, we had lunch and I made a hearty salad as well because I just think it's so important to have as many micronutrients as you possibly can throughout the day. So by making such a simple little salad on the side and just adding some, you know, lemon juice, olive oil, some pink Himalayan salt, pepper, that's good to go. And it's super delicious and light. So now I'm gonna make a pre-workout meal because I'm gonna go to the gym and train legs today. So my pre-workout meal is gonna be, listen, I have a thing for bagels. I don't know what it is lately, but cinnamon bagels are just my jam. So cinnamon bagel with some peanut butter. I'm gonna slice up a banana and put it in there. And I'm also gonna have a little bit of coffee or pre-workout, I haven't quite decided. So that's gonna be my pre-workout meal. And also, as you guys can see, look, like I've eaten carbs since the morning to now and dinner time. I'm not eliminating any food groups. I do not want you to do that. This is about sustainability and keeping consistent. So look, I'm gonna put it out there. I'm not gonna be doing a keto diet, a low carb diet. I like my food and that's just the way it rolls. So pre-workout meal coming your way. Back from the gym now, and I am going to be making one of my favorite dishes that I just think are so simple and easy because look, like we have busy lives. Every single day, humans are getting busier and busier, more and more stressed. And the last thing we want to do is make some lavish meal that's going to cost us a fortune. And it's just going to take up so much of our time. And that's exactly what I don't want you guys doing. But I also want you guys to be eating super well, nutritional, wholesome foods that are gonna be good for your body and good for your soul, you know? So I'm gonna be making a hearty, big roast dish with salmon, potatoes, lots of veggies to really just nourish my body from within. So I'm gonna show you all the ingredients I'm gonna be using. As you can see here, the protein of choice today is salmon. I'm gonna cook this for me and Holly. Holly's staying over and we absolutely love salmon. So I'm gonna be making salmon in the oven. Some mini potatoes, I'm gonna boil them up first, cut them in half, pop them on this dish with some olive oil and roast them so they're super crispy. I'll show you how I'm gonna do that. And the veggies of choice is I have some leftover Brussels sprouts. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Brussels sprouts? Ew, that's disgusting. But I promise you, the way I make these Brussels sprouts is gonna blow your freaking mind. They end up so lovely. Brussels sprouts, some broccoli, and also some onion. So that is my veggie of choice. Let's make this, and we're gonna enjoy it, and we're gonna eat good together. is it. I'm gonna end the night. Where's my forehead? Ah, there's my big forehead. Hi, girl. I'm gonna finish the night with some dark chocolate because listen, without having a bit of chocolate on a daily routine in my daily life, it's a go and miss. So you gotta have a little bit of something. And listen, I absolutely love chocolate. So I'm gonna opt for dark chocolate even though I want that processed junk in my system, groove in my soul, or it's a party. Anyway, so finish off the night with some dark chocolate and then gonna take all my makeup off, have a shower and go straight to bed. I really hope you enjoyed this video and maybe you learned a new recipe or something new today. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see because I have loads of content coming your way to just help you along your fitness journey because that's truly what I want to do. My goddamn camera died. Okay guys, I love you always and forever. Bye.